what's going on? Please enjoy this new version of a TERRA LUNC Classic. Also, I plan to talk about several fascinating topics in this video. Stay to the very end if you have any LUNC Classic holdings or are trading LUNC Classic. It promises to be an exciting time. Leave a like and a subscribe if you agree that LUNC Classic is great, in order for you to see all of these clips. And with that, I'd like to jump right into it. It's fantastic that TERRA LUNC Classic maintains a respectable 30th position on CoinMarketCap. But there's something else I want to demonstrate, and it's related to developments over the past 24 hours. When looking at the recent 24 hours of results, it is clear that TERRA Classic has fared the best. Incredibly, in the previous 24 hours, TERRA Classic has risen 8.35% in value and traded at a volume of $1.7 billion USD, putting it at the top of the cryptocurrency rankings. The market cap is still close to $2.5 billion, despite a 40% increase in volume to $1.7 billion. We all know that today was the day when the CPI data was announced, and that it was not good news for us. So, naturally, everyone and their mother thought the market was ending. And now I'll demonstrate the extraordinary strength of the current TERRA Classic, which is going. Although TERRA Classic also experienced a decline in value, it fared better than Bitcoin. That's the inconceivable part. Moreover, as we can see right here, Bitcoin CPI data has been made public. We reached a high of about 22,832, which coincided with a massive bump and run pattern at that point. Furthermore, we spilled all the way down through the previous levels of support. Here, all the way down to 20,213. In other words, a massive drop of 11.5% to the downside. So, how did LUNC Classic fare during that time frame? When did that happen? My patrons and I got tremendous gains of around 20% when I recommended they purchase LUNC Classic. This LUNC Classic did not decline all that much either. We can attribute this 9% decline to the publication of the CPI data. And next, take a look at how the upturn has shaped a V. Our group descended and immediately ascended again. There's been a resurgence that looks like a V. It is clear that we are attempting to disrupt this trend at the present time. We haven't finished dealing with it yet. Therefore, entering a trade at this time is extremely risky. I believe that TERRA Classic has a very large rise ahead in the near future, will definitely reach very good levels, and might truly fulfill the plan that I have for TERRA Classic if we can break over this level right here at about 35,996. In order to get our bearings, let's back up a bit. Also, this is fascinating. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 distinct waves of the type identified by Elliott's theory are clearly visible at this initial stage. And then there was the ABC correction to the downside. And now we may begin the next upward Elliott wave, which will be labeled as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Accordingly, if this turns out to be true, it will have enormous consequences. Bitcoin shouldn't go any lower because of this, though. Contrary to its historical correlation with Bitcoin, LUNC Classic has recently shown an opposite relationship with the cryptocurrency. This suggests that the value of TERRA Classic increased while Bitcoin decreased. If Bitcoin rose, the rock standard fell. And as you can see, we fell from the top 50% to the bottom. We're facing 35% or 34% opposition right now, which is fantastic. This is why I decided to make this film about that topic. I think it's crucial to take stock of the situation as a whole. I repeat, why now? True to form, we are currently trying to escape. Things on Patreon are developing precisely as we anticipated. You may find out when the levels will be called by following the link in the group's description. Additionally, the Bitcoin and Bybit links are provided for those who wish to follow in my trading footsteps. As of right now, Bitcoin investors can receive a bonus of up to $8,000. After the initial investment, you will receive a free bonus of $4,163. Listen up, dudes. You can get up to $4,050 after the initial payment and also on buy. Look into them if you can. We hope you like this video. But that's all we have for it today. Keep in mind that this classic horror film is still doing very well. Amazingly, it has the highest 24-hour gain ranking on CoinMarketCap.